Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to go to a place.
Where are you going?
Where are you going? I'm gonna Akita City. We're going on a bullet train, a Shinkansen. So let's go to Akita City and have lots of fun. So I'm going to go with a friend and I'm gonna introduce him to you guys later. Not him to me, okay? Him to you guys because I already know him. So let's go inside the Shinkansen and have lots of fun. Come on guys, let's go, let's go, let's go.
21番線の電車は7時32分発小町5号秋田行きと
So this is how the inside of the Shinkansen looks like. There are two things like chairs. You can turn them to face each other. So let's go, Kevin. I'm the one who is in front, okay? And Kevin is the one who is behind me with the gray jacket and the blue hoodie. Hoodie. Oh yeah, hoodie. Let's go and have some fun. Whoa!
Hi guys, now we're inside the Shinkansen. Look how fast we're going. Look slow. I think I'm sitting so fast. I can feel that it's so fast. And what do you think? Is it fast or slow? Come here. And I think it's fast because in the Google Maps it shows that it's going very fast. But when we zoom out in, it's going so fast. Yeah. But if we zoom out, it's going so slow like a turtle. Yeah. Tell what your name about you. Tell about you. I'm not sick of this plane. Look where? Tell about you and say like your name, it's like that I'm trying to tell. I'm Kevin. Loudly, they can't hear. I am Kevin. I am 7 years old. Okay, we've got it. Bye guys. See you in Akita City. So now we reached Murayaka and now we are going to go to Akita City at the evening. This is the bullet train which is the Shinkansen. Now let's go meet my friend again.
Look at the tunnel. It should be, I don't know, something like 7 tunnel. Look at the natural view. So nice. I want to live here forever. So nice.
So now we are in front of Lake what? Now we are in Lake Tazawa. We are in front, not in. We can go boating, so let's go together. We can't walk because we don't know the way. So we'll look at the map and know the way. We have to just cross the zebra crossing.
Yeah, and then you'll just go inside the lake. Wrong.
Okay.
We don't know. Let's see soon. The maple tree and look, the leaf. Because of autumn, I guess it's red in color. Wait, let me call my friend Kevin. I think he'll be
Come in.
happy.
Come on, let's show him. Okay, just here. I have some. And look, there are many of them.
Let's throw them. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
And we are.
So this is fish food I've got in my hand.
So guys, now we are in front of the lake. If we go here, wobbly. Let's go down. Come on.
on again.
What video for me now? Like, what video? My mask on. Okay. Now look,
Oh, the water is so nice. Oh, I found a pink color rock. Not a pebble or a rock, I'm not sure. Like a stone. Yeah. No, rock. I choose a rock.
now
I'll see you soon
when we go on the
boats. Da-da-da. So look at the fish food. The fish food throwing it in the sea goes to the fish, not on my mouth. Ladies and gentlemen out there, it's not gonna go in any of your mouth, or else your mouth will start stinking or poisoning, or I don't know, it's gonna be ruined. Yuck. That's horrible. Okay, let me throw 5 million fish foods at the same time to make 5 million times 5 million, which I don't know the answer, and that many fishes are gonna come here, guys. I don't know. Is that even true? Huh? I don't know. Don't believe me. I don't know the answer. Answer. Give me in a minute. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Looks so beautiful. Ruff, ruff, ruff. So many fishes in slow motion. Looks a bit good, but I don't know. Is it good? Is it good the whole world? Just tell me in a minute or a second. The next place, and it's called Akita-ken Valley, and this place is so traditional, especially the entrance. Blue, bubbly, I don't know if it's bubbly, but it's so beautiful, bluey, slimy. It's not slimy, but it looks like slime, but it's a sea, but it's so slime. It looks like slime or gel, right? So beautiful. I wow it. I love it. Okay, I love this place. It looks so natural that I want to touch it, but I don't want sharks to eat me. If I touch it, there might be sharks inside, but there's no sharks inside the river. Okay, ladies and jelly beans? This is a bridge which is so shaky, and if you guys didn't know, I'm afraid of heights. Look at this beautiful, natural, colorful tree place, and look at this tunnel. Okay, yeah. This is the waterfall we came to see. It's a part of the slime river, and again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe million times and like and share, and yeah, that's it. Bye.